Yo,
What in the
what's
world?
up? It's your boy Jay working. It's my last video for 2020, man. I just want to thank everybody who liked something, subscribed something, shared something, gave me a nice comment. Just anybody who came and asked me to do a talk, asked me for some advice. I'm so humble and happy for everybody who came in and supported me, supported the channel, supported me doing any type of programming. Just all of that good stuff, man. I really, truly appreciate everybody, and we're just gonna keep pushing on. I'm in the lab right now, so I'm gonna bring in this year grinding out and working and continuing the movement, man. And that's just sharing, helping people. It's all about growth. It's all about sharing. It's all about creativity. It's all about really expanding and being fluid with our intelligence, right? So we're just gonna kick off 2020 and being super duper fluid with our intelligence and what we say and what we think. No more negative talk, no more negative thinking, no more holding on bad decisions and bad thoughts. And 2020 was this and that and all of that stuff. You're not guaranteed a better year next year. So let's just be grateful and be humble for what we got, what we have, and what we had, because a lot of people was way more unfortunate than us. So always keep that in mind. So you never know. This year might have been better than the new year. So don't take for granted all your blessings and all of that good stuff. Thank you for everything. I'm gonna keep going. And if you need me help or need me for anything, please hit me up. It's your boy Jay working for the last video in 2020. Peace, son.
Louis on my slippers, probably make you jealous. Hard on my sleeves, I'll be gone till November. But that don't concern them, although make it worth it. That don't make me perfect, but I'm getting closer. God in the air, the skies in my fair. Home like it's Dale, got dry like Rodeo.